It's about that time. I just received in the mail my Galaxy S24 from Samsung. So the deal is I'm upgrading from my S22, which I'm going to hold on to because it has an amazing camera and I want to use it as a camera for whenever I don't feel like taking my DSLR out. Right here is the S22 box. Just want to show it to you here. This is going to be an unboxing video, by the way. They're about the same size. I'm going to compare this to a phone that I really dislike, and I'm using this to trade up to my S24. I'm going to send it back. The S7 Edge. Oh man, I did not like that phone. I only bought it because it came in silver at the time and it matched the MacBook that I picked up that year. Anyway, I still have the box and I still have the phone, and I'm going to send it back, and I'm only showing this to you to show you the comparison in size. Look how much bigger this box is. But remember, the S7 Edge also came with some other accessories, so you're not going to get that in here most likely. Anyway, let's get this unboxing video off to the races. This is the box. It literally came in the mail yesterday. I'm going to use a nail file to open this, so I got to get it right the first time. There we go. And all right. Okay, now that we got that, let's open this baby up. Oh yeah, look at that. There is the S24 in all of its glory. So, I mean, I literally am doing the unboxing here. I'm gonna take the phone out. Oh, there you go. There's a tab right here. Take it out. Okay, you can see the cover's on top of it there. And what comes in the box? Well, you get, what do you get here? Okay, take a look at that. You get a little manual, get a USB charger, USB-C cable, shouldn't say charger, and what's this over here? You get this, presumably put the SIM card in. So that's it. That's all you're gonna get. You're going to get your phone and the USB-C cable, and voila, there's your S24. Now, just by comparison, I know I said it earlier in the video, with the S7 Edge, the reason why the box is so much larger, or any Samsung phone prior to, I want to say probably the S10 maybe, is because you got all of this extra stuff. You got the USB cable, plus you got the cube that goes into the wall, and here with the S7 Edge you got a USB micro to USB A connector plus the manual. So that's why the older boxes were much larger. But in any case, I'm going to do a full review of this phone at some point. You can see for comparison, the phones are about the same size. Again, I'm upgrading from the S22. I skipped out on the S23 just because it wasn't that big of an upgrade, and to my understanding, you're not really getting that much of a big upgrade here either. The cameras are about the same, and you're getting a lot of AI stuff on this phone. But that's it, guys. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to get a screen protector on this as well as a case. I like to do that before I start using the phone. So there it is, guys, the S24. Till next time.